Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Dia&Co box number... I don't even know at this point. I just keep getting them every single month, and I love it. So what we're going to do, typical video, we will show everything. We, meaning me, I will show you everything. I will try it on. We will talk about it, and then we'll recap at the end. Alright, so I have my price list now. I had to go and get it. Alright, so we'll talk about how much it was, what we think about it. I know you will tell me your honest opinion on things, and I appreciate that. First thing I want to talk about are these shorts. These are Rebel Wilson, the 7 Ace mid-rise boyfriend shorts. They're in a size 20W. They're perfect. They're stretchy. They're the right length, I think, to be flattering. However, the picture on the app was different. Like, these were not the shorts in the picture. The picture, they were more distressed. These are not distressed at all. These are just straight shorts. There's nothing distressed about them, which I'm kind of glad I got these instead, because the distressed shorts, I have several pair already, and I didn't need another pair. I also didn't need this pair, but I already bought them. So these shorts, I just think are great. They fit so good and they feel so comfortable, and I think that they were just super flattering. So these came out to 59 bucks, but I got that $20 styling fee credited, so 39 bucks for these shorts. I love them. I already purchased them, so if you're going to tell me you hate them, I appreciate your comment, but I already own them. Next thing that I really liked was this black and white, like faded striped tank top with a pineapple on it. Y'all know I've been into pineapples lately. I had an entire pineapple themed pool party for my birthday last weekend. And I love, it's just so loose and flowy. It's like longer on the sides. What do they call those? When it's longer on the sides. It fits great. It was a little bit big in my opinion. I maybe could use a size smaller, but a size smaller might be a little snug, so they don't do half sizes in shirts like this. This one is a 2X, I believe. Yeah, it's Jessica Simpson brand, and this shirt was $39.50. I love the pineapple on it, like I said. However, let me grab a shirt that my mom got me from, or no, not my mom, my sister and my nieces got me for my birthday. Hang on. Look how cute this is. It's a t-shirt with like a, this is like a mint green up here. It looks a little blue on camera, but a mint green collar, and it's just this t-shirt. And it's so flippin' cute. I tried it on last night. I'll throw a picture up. It fits perfect. It's like the cutest thing ever. I don't need 37 pineapple t-shirts. Really, it's only 2, but I don't need 2, so I'm not going to keep that one because I just don't think that I need to wear 6 pineapple shirts, you know? So I'm not going to keep it. Also, I don't know how I feel about the graphic being right on the front. I'm kind of into the more like pocket type graphic up here. I don't know if I like the graphic tees like that. Next thing in the box, I really did like this. This navy tank top, like from the front, it's just a regular tank top. But then when you stick it on the back, bam! It's like halfway down is like this floral flowy print. This is from the brand Gilly, G-I-L-L-I. I think it's in a size 2X probably. Yeah, a size 2X. I like it. I just don't like how short the front is. It's meant to be short. I understand that. But I would prefer something a little bit longer in the front and longer in the back, I guess. Like maybe I needed a size larger in this. I love the idea of it. I love the like different fabric in the back. I think it's so pretty. I don't know. Let me know what you think if you thought that I needed a different size. Alright, so this is called the Kiara Mix Print High-Low Tank. It's $39. I don't know if I said that pineapple tank top was Jessica Simpson brand. This shirt I thought I would absolutely hate. Let me untuck the sleeves for you so you get the full effect. It's this lilac like tee, and it's got this floral like embroidery on it, this white floral print. There we go, this white floral print. I thought I would hate it, and then I put it on, and I really liked the fit. It was too small, in my opinion. It's in a size 2X. I don't care for the flowers on it. If it maybe had stars or something else, like this embroidered pattern on it, I would have liked it a little more. I absolutely love the cuff sleeves. I love the color. I love everything about it. It's just a little bit too small. And like I said, I'm not really a huge fan of this pattern on here. This is from the brand Juna Rose. It's called the Adaya Knit Top. Oh, it's in a size 1X. Okay. And it's $42. So maybe if I had gotten it in a 2X, then maybe it would fit a little bit better. And the last thing in my box is this like black and white long, is it a maxi dress? Like a jersey type dress. It's called the Olivia Self-Tie Maxi Dress. It's the brand Prescott, New York. I don't like it at all. Like, there's nothing about it that I like. I don't like this clingy material. I don't care for a long... Okay, let me just rephrase that. I like long dresses with pockets, but this is like that clingy, tight material. And Sean is my stylist and suggested pairing it with like colorful wedges or earrings, which I think is a great idea. I don't think that it looks good on my body. I think maybe it's a little bit too short. The fit is a little bit too tight. It's just, it's not me. It's a fun summer dress. And that's what I'm pretty sure that I asked for, were fun summer dresses, but it's just not me. And this is $69. All right, so now that you've seen everything, how Dia&Co works, I kind of explained it earlier with the shorts. You pay a $20 a month styling fee, whatever you keep. Your $20 is deducted from. If you keep everything, you get 25% off. So my total was $248.50 minus my styling fee, minus the 25% if I kept everything, and my total is $166.38, which honestly is not bad for a pair of shorts, 3 tops, and a dress is not a bad deal at all. However, I don't like them all, so I ended up only keeping the shorts, and I'm really happy about them. I really like them. I think they're, like I said, a great length for summer. They're not too heavy of a denim. They're stretchy. They're flattering. So I'm really, really happy that I kept those. So I will leave a direct link to sign up for Dia&Co in the description box down below. If you're interested, click on it. Check it out. I like Dia&Co. Dia&Co and Stitch Fix are the 2 subscription boxes I've been getting every month for a while now. I've tried Trunk Club. I've tried Fashion, which I've got another fashion box coming. So I'm excited about that. Let's see, what else have I tried? A couple of people have suggested, what is it called? I've gotten them in like, messages and stuff. So if I can, okay, so if you like a subscription box other than one I've tried, comment. And then if you're watching through the comments and you see that, like it, because that helps me know that, yes, we like this subscription box and we want you to try it. And then all these other people like it too. So like those comments and it helps me to see what boxes that y'all want me to try. I also do have an order coming from a website. I ordered, you know, I've been doing that $100 challenge, so I've got a couple different orders coming in for that challenge that I'm really excited about. And also today I'm going to get my hair done, so don't judge me. We're going to get these roots touched up. So that's where I'm heading now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.